It's the sneakery, baby.
Alright, it's your boy G.Phresh in the building, aka the sneaker guy. Here I got a restoration I'm gonna be doing. These are the Lebron 16s performance. The Keith, I think. I don't really follow LeBrons like that, but well, a little bit, but not like Jordans and other ones. But anyways, moving forward, I have this kick right here that I'm working on a customer for. He just wants a deep clean, so I'm gonna do a little bit more than just give it a deep clean, because if I deep clean like this upper, you can just tell this upper was crazy, bro. It was like, I don't know, he was playing soccer in these. And yellow in the soles. And do the deep cleaning, so you can just see, like, yeah, like you can't also with this, you can't get your regular sneaker cleaner, just clean it and this is gone. This is a special process that's gonna be needed. Alright, so this is the first process of just doing a simple clean. This right here, I just did a simple clean. And you can already see how it's already white right here, and it still have the dinginess. Now, this shoe right here that I cleaned, notice it looks like it's more dirt on it. It's because when you do a simple clean, it actually lifts up the dirt. But now that the dirt has lifted up, what's gonna happen is now I can actually penetrate the dirt and
stop it. Get some help.
Get the dirt out. Clearly the dirt has seeped in, but once you clean it, at that point it's what you're gonna do to get the dirt off the material. This material is like a cloth mesh. If you notice, it's really hard. So once the dirt penetrates in there, it's really in there. It's not, you get your typical sneaker cleaner, which I use crap. Doesn't matter if you use crap, Jason Mark, Shoevinator, doesn't matter. It's not gonna clean the shoe. You know, it's not gonna, in other words, decondition the shoe to get any dirt off. This is just like kind of like the first line of defense. Next time you'll see quick update, LeBron 16s. I think they're 16s. Oh my God. Oh! You can see just the process I took. Pretty much the midsole, it's pretty much clean. Like, it's really good. Here you can see that shine is coming back. This threading, you can see it's starting to clear up. This part was so much dirt here, it was like almost damn near black. Now it's getting to the point where it's not wearable, but you can see the progress. Now this shoe wasn't as bad. You can see that this one looks almost wearable. You see it. And this process, once again, I used a simple clean, a deep clean, kind of like a process I like to call like a part of my deep cleaning, but like a deep soak, the dirt just to soak out. And once that dirt soaks out, my icy box, let that hit, that dirt's gonna start rising out because it's been so deep clean. It's literally at the very top. Once that UV light hits, the shoe should be pretty much done. Now, I might have to do a couple of sessions. This shoe should be good to go. Then, of course, I have to do an unyellowing of this sole. It's not that bad. Once I take the unyellow, the shoe should be good. And this is an actually expensive shoe. I was looking on StockX. It's literally $1,000.
Oh my God! Wow!
Gonna take this shoe right now that's on the market, $1,000, maybe say $2,000, but it's $1,000 shoe right now on the market, and I'm about to literally bring it back to the point where it's very wearable. All right, so here's the LeBron 15s. Kith performance. I did a deep clean. Notice the shoe is bright white now. It's not even that dirty, dingy color that it was. It literally looked like a brown shoe. I think it had that oil stain at the tip. You can see that it just naturally just disappeared. Another service that I did, I even took the time. I even cleaned in here. I even unyellowed the soles. That was pure yellow, even on the sides. So this shoe is wearable again.
All in my business, you be all in your feelings. I've been all in them trenches. I've been all in my bag. You be all